When I got to Utah Law, they made me feel like I belonged here.
One of my favorite things about being here at the law school is the sense of community that you have when you come in the doors. You feel like a part of something.
There's a very close-knit community among the students. I think they learn as much from each other as they do from their professors.
It really does feel like a family here. There is no competitiveness between ourselves of, who's going to come out on top in class.
Students here are really open-minded, really intellectually curious. They tend to want to get out of their bubbles and engage with others because they know that that's going to make them stronger attorneys.
Having small class sizes, you get to be really involved in the conversations in class. Professors know your name. You know your classmates.
The professors that I've had have been some of the most successful people I've ever met. These are people that are driven and care so much to be here and strengthen our community within the school.
We take teaching very seriously. We take our mentorship of our students very seriously. Students feel comfortable reaching out, and faculty always make time for that.
The University of Utah has no shortage of opportunities to get involved. The real problem is trying to decide how much is too much to get involved in.
sjquinney has a really robust experiential learning program, and it's rapidly growing and developing. Students work under close supervision of an attorney or a faculty member and take on a real case or project and have real clients.
It gives us a glimpse of what it is to be an attorney before we come out of the school.
I don't know if there is a better law school building with more beautiful views. There's floor-to-ceiling windows. If you're going to be stuck in a building studying, this is the right building to be in.
I think it also shows just how much they're invested in us to create such a good space of studying, of networking, of interviewing. There's so many things that go on within this building.
I love Salt Lake City. It's very dynamic, very diverse.
It's really exciting to see it grow and change, even just in the 3 years I've been here.
Whether you want the downtown center and you want that nightlife, or if you just want to get out and explore beautiful mountains or the hills or the hikes.
At 10 a.m., you can be sitting in the classroom, and by noon, you're up on the mountains skiing on some of the best snow on earth.
Students who get an sjquinney education are prepared to practice law anywhere in the country.
Last year I got to work in San Francisco for the SEC. This year I've been able to work with a boutique firm up in New York.
I have a lot of friends staying here in Utah. I have other friends going all over the country. The options are endless, and students here are doing all of them.
We have really special students here. They're incredibly kind to one another. They're incredibly open-minded.
I'm so grateful for the community that I've found at SJQ. It's one that is supportive and fun and exciting. What I will take with me the most is the friendships that I've made, the mentors that I've met. Those relationships will last a lifetime.
Choosing Utah Law was the best decision I've ever made. It makes me want to do the best that I can so that I can succeed, because with all these resources, how can I not?